Hi, I'm Wayne with Headsets Direct. In this video series, we're here to help you solve your communication issues. One common problem we hear from customers is when they're using their headset with their laptop, it won't answer with the push of a button consistently, or they have strange audio occurrences. If you're using a Bluetooth headset, even though your laptop supports Bluetooth connections, always use the dongle. And we see it regularly where without the dongle, there's just things that happen that we can't explain. There's different profiles when you're dealing with Bluetooth. There's data profiles and there's audio profiles. And there's something about audio with even the best of headsets and the highest end laptops, you still have these intermittent issues you just can't explain. Every time we connect the dongle to it, all of a sudden all the problems go away. So if you're experiencing something like this, it's a quick fix. Make sure you're using a headset with a dongle. If you don't have one, give us a call at Headsets Direct. We're always happy to help find the solution you need. You can find us at 1-800-914-7996 or online at www.headsetsdirect.com. Thanks.